Well, let's see what the postman's brought for me. Quite fancy packaging there. Those are some crank bolts, Allen key type. They'll just go in, the rubber bit will protect the threads. It'll go on the coming out of the bag. There we go, get a proper look. Even got some blue thread sealant on that. You can get a bit closer. That'll go on the Pashley Prospero, the gaffer, and it will look exactly like the ones that are on the Pashley Sovereign. So those will go straight on that. 2-minute job putting those on. I won't make you sit through that. Now then, this you might find interesting. Recently done a video about lights. I'm going to have to get my knife back. And I can already tell this is what I thought it was, so I need to sharpen this knife. A bit of wet in this, but there, look at that. Let's shed some light on the subject. I should know better than to film against there we go, how's that? So you can see inside there I need a mirror, and it looks like the burner's the wrong way as well. Let's get it a bit closer, see if you can see. Yeah, the jet should be at 90 degrees to that, and obviously there's a lens missing as well. But all these work. Your calcium carbide goes in here. You've got a water tank in the top, and oops, as you turn that, it adjusts the amount of water dripping onto the calcium carbide. That creates a chemical reaction, releasing acetylene. If you're aware of oxyacetylene welding, it's a flammable gas, quite explosive actually in the wrong context, but hopefully safe in this, although I've heard of people having accidents. The gas comes through here, is lit. Oops, then you, once there's a lens on, close it and lock it, and away you go. The side, see if I can light them up, there we go. You've got side markers in green on both sides, yeah, both sides are green. And this is apparently a Lucas King of the Road. That's what it was sold to me as anyway. A little bit of rust on there. Sounds like there might be some carbide still in it. Bit of a dent. Yeah. That should be fun trying to get that to work. Hopefully, once I've given it a clean up and a bit of a test, I should be able to show you it working with a bit of luck. If not, then I might convert it to LED. Plenty of room inside there for batteries. Get a nice LED and reflector and a nice front lamp cover, lens. It should do a good job, but I prefer to get it running on gas. How cool does that look? Just noticed the breakage on it. Yeah. Now, I'm not sure what that part does yet, but I'm sure I can braze it back on, or a bit of silver solder or something. Eee, sirens again. Bit of chrome cleaner should bring this up nicely. I'll not use something like auto sol, that'll be a bit too abrasive. I'll get some proper soft chrome cleaner. It'll take a bit more elbow grease, but it should do it without damaging the finish. Without damaging it too much anyway. Oh, there it goes now. I've actually broke that bit off. Oh well. Yeah, I'll have to do a little bit of torch brazing on that, I think. That bit'll look brass rather than chrome. So the search is now on for a reflector and a suitable lens. Wish me luck. Yeah, fingers crossed I don't blow my fingers off.